Last night, we shared the news that Franklin High School canceled their football games this week due to an outbreak of COVID-19 on their team. Their opponents last week, Lorena High, they're continuing to play ball tonight against China Spring. Tonight, Fox 44's Kendall Green joins us live looking at what Lorena High head coach is doing to keep his players in the game and COVID-free. Hey, Kendall.
Hey, Adam, it doesn't matter where you go. There is nothing like Texas high school football. And the coach at Lorena High, he knows that, and he says that that's not a right, but it's a privilege. And him and his staff, they're doing all they can to make sure that their players and their coaching staff keep that privilege.
In his 40-plus years of coaching, head Lorena High School football coach Ray Biles says he's never had to prepare for a football season as uncertain and unpredictable as this one.
It's just a different ball game. It's still football, and that's great, but we've had to make some alterations and some changes to the way that we do things.
Coach says almost everything about how they prepare for Friday nights has changed, from hydration to face coverings to social distancing. He and his staff keep their team policy simple and easy for players to follow.
The helmet's off, the mask up. So, if they've got their helmet off and we're in a group, we try to, keep the mask up as much as possible.
Biles attributes his team's success in preventing COVID cases to Lorena athletes' discipline to keep the bigger picture in mind. Biles says it's not the players on the field that he has trouble with. It's sometimes the folks in the stands.
I think the adults are the hard ones, to get them to buy into what's going on, and whether we agree with it or not doesn't matter. We've got to take care of that for the safety and health of others, and for the opportunity for these kids to have a season.
The district cut down several normal resources for fans at the game. Buying tickets at the game isn't a thing during the pandemic. Tickets must be purchased beforehand. The district also banned tailgating as well as overpopulating the general area.
Like our home side will sit about 2,500 and we're set up for about 1,000 tonight. So, we're less than 50% on our home side. So, we've done an awful lot.
The coach says those changes are all worth implementing if that means they can play another Friday night.
The opportunity to cross the line and those kids to play ball and that scoreboard to go off, and, people are willing to do what they have to do to give those kids that opportunity.
Now, Coach Biles shared with us his secret weapon to how he keeps the whole team on one accord when it comes to following those rules. I'll share that with you at 9:30. But for now, live in the newsroom, Kendall Green, Fox 44 News.